Hello, welcome back to the online classes, dear students. Today we are going to start with a new poem, A Tiger in the Zoo by Leslie Norris. The central idea of this poem is that the poet tries to depict the mental condition of a caged tiger. He compares the life of a tiger in the zoo with its life in its natural habitat. The poet conveys an important message that the wild animals should be left in their natural habitat. In the poem, he heightens the contrast between freedom and captivity. He very impressively shows us how love for freedom is the natural instinct of every living being. Now, let us come to the poem. I will read the poem stanza wise and give the explanation according to it. Okay. So, the stanza 1, he stalks in his vivid strips the few steps of his cage on pads of velvet, quiet in his quiet rage. Explanation: the poet sees a tiger locked in a concrete cell in the zoo. It is a very small cage. The tiger can hardly take a few steps along the length of the cage. He looks majestic as he slowly moves up and down in his cage. The sharp and clear strips on his body are of strong bright color. His pads are velvet soft. In spite of all his strength, he now lies imprisoned behind the bars. The caged tiger is angry. He is full of rage, but is quiet because he knows that he is helpless here. Second stanza. He should be lurking in a shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. The explanation: looking at the imprisoned tiger, the poet is filled with pity. He says that the poor tiger should have been in his natural habitat, that is, in the jungle, hunting and resting. Then at this hour of the night, he would have been lying in the shadows of trees and sliding quietly through the long grass. He would then, near the water hole, wait for some fat and healthy deer to pass that way. Thus, he would be lying there in expectation of a heavy feast. Enough for today. Rest stanzas I'll come tomorrow. So please go through the poem, the two stanzas carefully, try to understand them, and write the meanings, word meanings that you find difficult. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.